What'd you say?
I said,
Star of the show?
Stop it. First,
Normal.
what I'm going to do is knock on the door. Trusty knee pad.
Does this all go into this install?
Not all of it.
Okay, all right.
Just some of it.
I'm not trying to intimidate you DIYers, but these are professionals. Don't forget that.
All right, camera guy, get over here.
Okay, so first just tell me what
Here's
does
what
this
we're doing.
what does this thing do?
This is a salt chlorine generator. It transfers the water, the salt water into chlorine.
So this is a salt system already.
Yep. So
Okay.
he's already got an existing salt system. We're going to remove that and this
Okay.
and put in a whole new system.
Okay.
The iChlor 3. Top of the line, baby.
Premium PENTAIR product.
All right, so I think the best way to do it is right here, don't you? Flooding's always good.
Just adds a fun element to the install.
Yeah.
See if we can do it underwater.
Especially good when you got electricity involved.
Oh, sure.
So you want it to go the flow of the water. So the water comes this way, you want the arrow going with the water, bam. So the nice thing about this is it's on unions. So if you have to remove it, you plumb in these unions and then you can take it off real easy.
Nice. The unions came in the box, everything is included, it looked like.
Yep. All the unions.
So all you really need to make this happen is the white PVCs.
So this is called an fitting extender.
Okay.
So these are really handy because you got a fitting right here that goes right in the ground, so you have no pipe to work with.
Yeah.
You can go over the top of a fitting.
Just glue it and it's good to go?
Yeah, and then you can go in 2-inch. There's two different kinds.
Okay.
This, you put a coupler on it, or you can go inside of a coupler like this.
Okay.
And this is 2-inch pipe. Thanks, bud. Primer that just melts it off. But this one had a bunch of like raised wording, so I smoothed it out. So
What is primer? Like a alcohol of some sort?
it's like paint thinner.
Ah.
How you doing, Nick?
Just watching the master at work here.
Yeah. He's over there.
The foreman? Is that how these jobs work? You got one guy that stands there and says, "You're doing great. You're doing great."
It's all about moral support.
Oh, that looks like it might be a little too far. That'll work. Alright, so now I just make sure I got everything glued. That's glued, glued. Okay. Alright, done. Now we install the power center.
That'll be relatively easy because this has got all power and everything. You just transfer it over to the other one.
That whip on the left there, the gray one coming in, that's
Yep.
the power. Ouch! Oh, good thing to do is make sure the power's off.
I was gonna ask, but you're the pro, so I didn't want to offend you.
Hey, let's get one thing straight. I'm not a pro.
Why is everybody bugging you then, asking your opinion? There's something here.
I just know a little more than they do.
Okay.
Or they're dumber than I am.
Or they lied on their application.
Hey, Nick, you were supposed to provide air conditioning.
That was part of this deal?
Yeah, where is it? There we go.
Oh, there we go. This is full team effort here.
It's just humid, you know?
Yeah, it is. Are you feeling the relief?
Yeah, actually I am.
Yeah, you're working faster all of a sudden because of it, I think.
Cracking me up.
We could start a vlog for you. A life in the
I
a
could
day
go
in the life.
viral.
You could. You saw those Duck Dynasty guys.
Yeah.
They got super popular. They're just average guys. You know? Not to say you're an average guy.
I'm below average. So I'm not gonna lie.
Well, I think that's even better then.
One thing is I'm honest, see? So
That's right.
I'll tell you how it is.
That's right.
So this tells you your wiring, if you were doing it 240 or 120. I believe we are 120.
What is that, a voltage meter?
Yeah. Getting your shirt all dirty, man.
That's your shirt now. Once you go viral, we could give it to one lucky fan, maybe auction it off.
Heck yeah. It'd be worth millions. Okay, so now I'm chasing this. Oh, it's on the timer. There we go. So basically all I'm doing is finding power. I want to see if I'm working with 120 or 240. I'm working with 240.
240. You were thinking 120, right?
I was. So 240 I got hot yellow and hot white. So these two are my hot. These two are nothing. Capped off. You're gonna make it look like this took 10 minutes, right?
Maybe less.
Alright, so these are my hots. Keep your eye on that thing.
Okay. We're powered up.
Powered up, baby.
So now this sucker will start producing
Chlorine.
wow through salt.
Yep. Water, salt water runs through the generator and it produces chlorine. Anytime you first get power to it, those lights will flash for 2 or 3 minutes, and then after that, it gives you your readings. If it's flashing after that, you got issues.
Okay.
This is brand new, so it won't. A little touch up, you know?
Little Picasso. Getting a little cloudy down there, Vance. You feeling all right?
Hi, buddy. That's the best part of the job.
Okay, so this thing will keep flashing, and then once it stops flashing, then it's all systems go type of thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's red right now, which is meaning your salt levels are off,
Okay.
but it might take 24 hours to count.
All right, your opinion. Worth it or stick with taps? This type of thing.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah. Pays for itself, I'm sure, with
And
the.
it's better on your skin.
Okay. Okay, that's a wrap here.
You can see there's nothing leaking over here.